Video is for your Source 5 note cards. There are a couple of things that you need for this video today. You need your research paper, note cards page that you were given in class, and then you also need 19 lined index cards. And then you need a blue or a black pen. So go ahead and get those materials together, push play on this video, and once you have everything that you need, come back and join me for Source 5 note cards. Okay, so the first thing that we need to talk about is the format for your note cards. The format for your note cards is going to stay the same for all 5 sources. So up in the top right-hand corner, you're going to put the source number. Underneath that red line on your note card is going to be the topic title. If you look at your note cards page that was handed out in class, the note card title is the open bullet. So here for Source 5, you'll see all of the open bullets. These are all of the topic titles. So there are 19 in all. This information is going to go on that first blue line right underneath the red line. That's your topic title. Then you're going to skip a line and you're going to write the information, followed by the page number in parentheses. We are going to do Source 5 together. I'm going to give you the information to write, so you do not need to come up with any of the information on your own. When you start working on Source 3 and 4, notice these are on the back of your page. The topic title is still that open bullet point, but then you have a dark bullet. This bullet is kind of your guiding question. So for Source 4, if you flip over, just so we can talk about this one briefly, the topic title is live birth. Then you need to tell me about the pups. So what is the information that I need to know about the pups related to live birth? You do not need to rewrite that bullet. You are just answering that kind of guiding prompt. Okay, so let's get back to Source 5. This is on the front page of your note card guideline sheet. And again, I'm giving you all of the information that you need. I'm going to go rather quickly through some of the note cards. You push pause so you can copy down the information. Remember, you are using blue or black pen only. You are writing this information in print. So here we go. There we go. Oh, sorry. Okay, your first source card is fins. So here on the screen, I have it formatted for you exactly like you need to copy. Here is another example on my actual note card. Source number 5 is written in the top right-hand corner. On that first blue line, I am writing the topic title. It is fins. Then the information you are writing is anal fin and 2 dorsal fins without spines. That information is found on page 1. Remember, push pause in the video so you can copy down the information. Source card number 2, or the note card number 2, gills. 5 gills. Allow them to breathe by pulling out oxygen from the water and pushing it over their gills. That's found on page 1. Color and light. Most sensitive to blue-green light. They can also see red. That's found on page 2. Color and light again. Sensitive to low light, ocean floor doesn't have much light. That's found on page 2. Color and light again. Sharp vision, maybe farsighted, page 2. Hearing, they can hear sounds we can. Their specialty is low frequency, vibrations like a wounded fish, page 2. Smell, they swim in zigzag pattern to track the scent of wounded prey, page 2. Smell again. Powerful sense of smell, can detect blood in the water, page 2. Electrical fields and thermal changes. They have ampullae of Lorenzini that helps detect electrical fields. I abbreviated it there. You're welcome to as well. And thermal changes in water. Has a heartbeat that produces a very weak electrical field used to locate prey, page 2. Schooling. They form large schools that contain up to 500 sharks, page 2. They school during the day, break apart at night to feed, page 3. They school to make it difficult to be attacked. Page 3. Communication, example of communication. Large females at the center of the school shake their heads back and forth. This causes pulses in the water that forces smaller females to the edge of the school. Larger females become center of attention for males during mating season. You do need to write all of that information. Interesting method of communication. There are at least 9 different ways that have been identified. Theories. Theory behind the odd T-shaped design is that the head shape gives extra lift in the water and helps with diving ability. The shape helps protect their eyes from the stingray's tail barb. Increased smell and sight ability because their eyes and nostrils are separated farther apart than other sharks. More believe that strange shaped head is to scare away the predators. So those are all 19 cards. You need to make sure that you have these completed for our next class period. And then you're going to go ahead and start working on sources 3 and 4. You'll have time to finish those in class. See you guys in class. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me an email.